house. Do you have a table reservation? Alright, ma'am. Table for how many?
Table for one.
Alright, ma'am. Stay, please. Use hand sanitizer, ma'am. Please have a seat, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Let me pass our to your request.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am Fiona and I will be serving you today. Here's menu card, ma'am. May I take your order now, ma'am?
Yes, please. I will order one mocha sandwich spaghetti and curry parmesan fries.
How about your drink, ma'am?
One chocolate milkshake.
Is there anything else, ma'am?
That will be all.
Okay, ma'am. Let me repeat your order. You ordered one mocha sandwich spaghetti, garlic parmesan fries, and a glass of chocolate milkshake. Am I correct, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
Do you want your order to be served all the same time, ma'am?
Yes, I want all my orders to be served at the same time.
Thank you, ma'am, and I will be back with your order after 15 minutes. Excuse me, ma'am. This is welcoming bird for waiting your food.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your chocolate milkshake.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your mocha sandwich spaghetti and garlic parmesan fries. Are you order correct and complete, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, ma'am. Here your meal. Excuse me, ma'am. May I remove your plate?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. Ma'am, I received 1,000 tax. I'll be right back. Ma'am, here's your change. And we have simple present for you. It is a kitchen from our restaurant.
Thank you.
My pleasure, ma'am. May I help you? Ma'am, thank you for coming in our restaurant. We hope to see you again, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
You are welcome.